Hey everyone, welcome back to the CULTUREROB and the Coolios channel. I want to show you what my wife picked up yesterday while I was at work. She had a coupon for Michael's, so she went to check out what Halloween stuff. I think they emailed her about some special Halloween discounts or something like that. So she went and she picked up something really cool. So I want to show you guys right now. Let's check it out. So the first thing she picked up was this like a skeleton hand with this crystal ball. And she was given a coupon, so she got it at 40% off. And I honestly, I don't know what the price was, but it lights up. Check it out. So it's battery powered, lights up, and it's just pretty cool. So that was the first thing she picked up. Check out the other thing she picked up. So she got this, it's called, from Spooky Town, it's a broken skull bar. And it was $80. But she got it, I believe, with the discount and the coupon and this and that, she got it for like $50. So Michael's exclusive. And this is new. I think it's new for this year. And it's pretty cool. Alright, so here it is out of the box. So on top, it has like the ribs of a skeleton, which is a nice little touch. Not sure what that is. And the skull, I think those lights, the eyes light up. It's called Broken Skull Bar, Wicked Spirits and Grog. Ghouls Night tonight. So cool. Drink specials: Witch's Brew, Groovy Ghoulie, and Vampire Kiss. Has like little rats everywhere. I'll show you the inside here. That's Frankenstein. Little skulls everywhere. Spider webs. What's that? Werewolf talking to, I don't know, zombie or skeleton or zombie. It looks. I mean, a mummy. And then the back, boarded up window, and that's a plug. So let me show it to you while it's on. Alright, so these light up, the eyes light up, and then they have a conversation here. She said, "No more for you, Frankie." So cool. Alright, let me turn off the light so you guys can see it in the dark. So here it is in the dark. Very cool. Love this thing. So anyway, thank you so much for watching. Once again, this was at Michael's. It's a Michael's exclusive. And they have more. They have a lot more. But these, you know, they sell out really fast. Especially the really cool ones. They go pretty fast. So if you have a Michael's near you, might be a good idea to go check it out. Thanks again for watching, everyone. And please don't forget to subscribe.